Bakan Ozdoyev, industrial director of the Cluster of Conventional Weapons, Ammunition and Special Chemicals of Rostec State Corporation, said in an interview with TASS about the creation of special ammunition for unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, by Russian gunsmiths in 2023. He said that Rostec Enterprises promptly launched large-scale production and uninterrupted supplies of new ammunition, and in 2024 their production was supposed to increase. Currently, the priority is the serial production of plug-in combat units with a specialized fuse, Ozdoyev said. Such ammunition ensures the safe and reliable operation of kamikaze drones of various payload classes. In May 2022, the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation showed the operation of a multifunctional complex with an Orlan-10 unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with a small-caliber ammunition dump system, 2 containers with opening doors. The serviceman explained that in total 4 miniature high-explosive fragmentation bombs are suspended under the UAV. In the story of the Zvezda TV channel, it was clarified that such ammunition affects enemy manpower, mortars, and lightly armored vehicles. To equip FPV drones, the armed forces of the Russian Federation mainly use standard ammunition produced by enterprises of the military-industrial complex, Dmitry Kuzyakin told TASS. The enemy, for various reasons, uses little Soviet-style ammunition. At the same time, Ukraine has established the production of specialized ammunition for FPV applications, which are made by civilian artels, sometimes the same ones that produce drones themselves. The Russian aerospace forces are also using larger unmanned aerial vehicles in the Special Operations Zone. For example, according to the material of the Zvezda TV channel, a complex with medium-range reconnaissance and strike UAVs, outpost, equipped with gliding bombs or guided missiles is fighting there. The four-post Ru strike modification lit up in the first month of its implementation, destroying, according to a report by the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation, a radar station from the S-300 anti-aircraft missile system. The outpost complex continues to develop based on the experience of its use in a special military operation. An official representative of the Ural Civil Aviation Plant, UZGA, which supplies the complex to the armed forces of the Russian Federation, told TASS that the outpost is being finalized for use without entering the range of enemy air defense systems of medium and long range. We are constantly engaged in expanding the combat capabilities of the outpost complex by improving its design and installing new payloads, said a representative of UZGA. The Tula Instrument Engineering Design Bureau, KBP, part of Rostec's high-precision complexes holding, has developed a rocket designed for use from drones. The ammunition, called XUAV, is capable of hitting lightly armored vehicles with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead weighing 6 kilograms, and its range of use reaches 8 kilometers. For guidance, the XUAV is equipped with a semi-active homing head and is guided by a laser illumination beam in a similar way to the corrected Krasnopol artillery shell. In 2021, Nikolai Dolzhenkov, general designer of Kronstadt JSC, expressed the opinion in an interview with TASS that Russia had almost caught up with competitors in terms of small-sized aircraft weapons for drones. Dolzhenkov said that the Orion Strike and Reconnaissance Unmanned complexes supplied to the armed forces of the Russian Federation are called Pacer. Developed by Kronstadt includes adjustable aerial bombs, including gliding and guided missiles. The ammunition created by the company and subsequently by its related companies showed an efficiency of more than 80% in tests. Today, the development work on the creation of a 20 kg TSA is close to completion, Dolzhenkov said at the time. All of them have combined control systems, including satellite navigation and laser guidance at the end of the flight. At the Army 2020 Forum, Kronstadt demonstrated several models of various types of ammunition next to Orion. Among them, the X-50 guided aviation missile manufactured by the Tactical Missile Armament Corporation with a warhead weight of up to 20 kilograms. The FAB-50 free-falling aerial bomb and the UPA-B-50 guided gliding aerial bomb with a warhead from a 37 kilograms Grad multiple rocket launcher projectile. FAB-50 were demonstrated with various types of warheads, for guidance on tele and thermal imaging cameras, laser beam. Pacer, like Outpost Ru, has been used in special operations since the first month. He strikes armored vehicles and fortifications of the armed forces of Ukraine, command and observation posts, conducts reconnaissance and highlights targets with a laser for a corrected artillery shell. Krasnopol. Even smaller drones can be used as weapons of destruction for drones. Such a complex of several UAVs was created by the Russian company Sivas Spedishashchita. It's vividly demonstrated how significant and powerful the sum of technologies that came to war from peaceful life can be. Kuzyukin shared his opinion. We see how drones have appeared and are wildly evolving, and the development of ammunition will not be an exception. Drone ammunition has already become digital and, as a result, increasingly smart and efficient.